What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an herbal gloss bar with all natural ingredients. This herbal gloss bar will leave your hair shining and it's super easy to apply. I absolutely loved how it left my hair feeling. And here you can see how it applies to my hair. This herbal gloss bar was super fun to make and I honestly can't wait to show you guys how to make it because look how it left my curls. It left them shiny, it left them defined, and it's just an amazing all-around natural thing that you can make and apply to your hair. So here is the formula on how to make this herbal gloss bar. So you'll need some cocoa butter, shea butter, and 2 oils of your choice. I'm making a 100-gram batch, enough for 1 use for me. And first I'm going to go ahead and measure out 50 grams of cocoa butter. And the cocoa butter is really what's going to hold that gloss bar together because this is a very hard butter. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 30 grams of shea butter for added growth benefits and shine, 5 grams of castor oil, and the castor oil is high in omega fatty acids which help to nourish the hair follicles and hair strands. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some sweet almond oil, which is one of my favorite lightweight oils that I use in almost all my do-it-yourself products. So I'm adding about 5 grams of that in there. And then after I'm done combining all of the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them all into a glass bowl to melt them using the double boiler method. So we definitely can't forget the Ayurvedic herbs because this is what makes it herbal. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of AMLA powder, a tablespoon of aloe vera powder, which helps to strengthen the hair, and then a tablespoon of fenugreek powder, which helps to soften and add shine to those curls. So here's what everything is looking like all combined in the glass bowl. Now you're just going to want to go ahead and place this in a double boiler and let it boil there until it melts. And once all the ingredients are melted, you're just going to want to stir it to make sure that every single little piece is melted and then let it cool down. And as you can see, it's already a rich brown color, which is the infusion of the Ayurvedic herbs within the butters and oils. So once it cools down, you'll want to transfer it into a soap mold. And if you don't have a soap mold, you can easily put this in like a cupcake holder so that way it could at least take shape. Now you'll just want to let it cool in the fridge for about an hour or until it hardens up. So after I'm just checking to see if it's completely hardened, then I'm taking it out of my soap mold. And here is my finished result of the Ayurvedic herbal gloss bar. Now you can choose to use this later, just wrap it in some saran wrap, or you could just melt it down and add some conditioner and use it right away. So I'm just gonna put it in the same bowl that I made it in and melt it down using the double boiler method. So this is how you would go about using the gloss bar when you're ready. And once it's melted, you're just gonna wanna stir it a bit to make sure all the little pieces are melted, and then let it cool down and add your favorite conditioner to it. So here you can see its consistency as it's fully melted. So now I'm just adding in conditioner until it gets to my desired consistency, so that way the oils blend with the deep conditioner. And it's okay if it doesn't blend all the way, just as long as it has a thicker consistency that you can at least grab and apply to your hair. So I'm pretty happy with how it's looking now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this to my curls. And I'm starting out on washed hair, and I'm just gonna run this from the front all the way through the back of my strands just to make sure that everything is thoroughly coated. And one thing that I am noticing when applying this, it doesn't look that thick, but it feels very thick on your curls. So if you have a looser pattern than me, you may want to be careful because after you rinse this out, it could weigh down your hair. If your pattern is looser, I would definitely suggest using a smaller amount through a larger portion of your curls, just to see how your hair reacts. Now, if your hair is like mine, I'm just plopping this stuff on and making sure that every strand is covered. So here is the rest of the application process. Once you're done applying it, you're just going to want to leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse. And here are my finished rinse results. It left my hair feeling super defined, soft, and shiny, as you can see in the video here. I absolutely love how this gloss bar was in my hair, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my wash day routine. Thank you guys so much for watching.